Hi everybody, it's me, Chef James McInnes, formerly James the Food Man. Now I know I posted a video not too long ago, and I just shot another video to come up, but you're probably wondering if you're one of my faithful subscribers, all 1,400 of you, where have I been the last 3 years? And if you're new here, probably wondering, who's this guy making videos? Well, what happened 3 years ago, what happened to everybody was COVID hit. And you might think, oh wow, that sounds like a great time to start making more videos, not shooting less. But at the same time, I have a 7-year-old son with class 3 autism who is nonverbal, and he's not potty trained. I also have a 4-year-old son who is as smart as a whip. And those two boys are everything. And when COVID hit, my schedule for the therapy times that we had for our first son got all messed up, all changed around, and the priority became from making YouTube videos on the side as a hobby to really focusing in on the family. And it wasn't till last year where I was able to step back a little bit from the restaurant and start taking 2 days off a week. That's something a lot of people take for granted, is having 2 days off a week. And I'm even spoiled. I get both my days off in a row. Any of you who are professional chefs, in the comments, you can tell everybody how accurate I am with the fact that getting 2 days off in a row is huge. So, now everything's been open for a year plus since the last lockdown, and we've finally gotten a schedule worked out where, at home, where we've got our routine in place. We're taking our son to his speech therapies, we're taking him horseback riding for a horse therapy once a week, twice a year for 6-week sessions. We're really have the ability now that we've had this much time, and with both boys being in school now, I'm starting to get bored again, and I have the time now to come back to my faithful audience that was here, and hopefully to reach out and find new people that I can inspire and I can help answer questions for and teach what I've learned as a professional chef. I'm 37 years old. I got my first job as a dishwasher when I was 16. I went to culinary school after high school in Canada. I have what's known as a Red Seal, which means I've gone through an apprenticeship for cooking, the same as a plumber or an electrician would go through their apprenticeships for their respective trades. I had to do 6,000 hours of on-the-job training. I had to do 2 rounds at college, and we can touch on that later on, part-time versus full-time college for apprenticeships in Canada. And if anybody's just wondering how it works, we can touch on that later. And I had a skills book I had to get completed. I had to do an exam. After that, I did another 2,000-hour post-Red Seal apprenticeship to get a chef certificate. Every 5 years, I have to go do my Safe Food Handlers course to stay updated on proper food handling techniques. That's a requirement by the health board. I've also attended the International Sommelier Guild Fundamental of Wines, level 1 and 2. I didn't pass level 2, but I still attended it. So, over the next little while, we're going to make some videos and we're going to get to know each other. Thanks for listening to me, and I hope that you have yourself a great day.